Why change fails? This is very interesting topic. In organizations, changes are done, and for the changes, there are different parameters need to be considered for execution of that change. We will discuss the different parameters and what are the conclusions in case of missing or failure of one element in the chain cycle. First, for the change, one should clear have a vision. In organization, there should be clear vision, skill set, incentives, resources for execution of that change, and proper action plan. If this change or this cycle is complete, then change will be executed successfully. Otherwise, missing of any element will result different. As vision, skill, incentives, the resources, and action plan combined for the successful change. In case if there is no vision, other elements are okay. Skills, incentives, resources, and action plan. These things are okay, but there is missing of vision. It will conclude a confusion in organization or in the change process. Further, in second element, if vision is clear but there is no skill set in the change exist, other elements, incentives, resources, and action plan, these are also okay, but only the skill set element is missing in the process, it will create anxiety. Third, if vision is okay, skill set is okay, but incentives are not provided, are not given, and the resources are also okay, action plan is also okay, it will create resistance in the most organizations or in manufacturing sectors. All things are clear, but if workers are not given incentives, employees are not given incentives, they resist that change. It becomes hard to implement that change. Further element is vision is okay, skill set is okay, incentives are okay, but there are no resources in that cycle chain, and action plan is also okay. The only element that is missing is the resources. It will result frustration in that process. On the other hand, in the last, for the this cycle, vision is clear, skill set is available, incentives are good, resources are okay, but there is no action plan. It will give the false start. So for the successful execution of change, we can say vision, skills, incentives, resources, and action plan. These are the necessary element for successful change in any organization. Hope your concept about the change cycle would be very clear. Thank you.